Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the display type and required voltages. This prevents damage. First, remove the panel and inspect the flex connector. Note pin labels. Next, locate a matching driver board or boost converter. This handles level shifting and backlight drive. Once done, attach jumper wires to the test points and secure everything with tape. You should also pre-test the supply with a multimeter, so you know the exact current draw and that the power is stable before soldering connections. You now wire the display to the driver and power source, soldering power and ground cleanly to avoid shorts. Then, connect the data/control lines as labeled. Mixing them up will show no image or corrupt output. After wiring, mount the driver behind the panel and plan a diffuser layer. Acrylic plus translucent paper works well. Make sure to test the backlight separately. If brightness is off, adjust the PWM or current limit on the driver. Once stable, secure components with hot glue for vibration resistance. You finish by installing the panel into a small enclosure, adding a diffuser in front to soften pixels. Then, run through final tests. Sweep brightness, confirm colors, and perform a 30-minute continuous run to detect heat or instability. Once satisfied, seal edges but leave vents for cooling. If things go wrong, like flicker or dimming, check ground continuity first, then remeasure supply voltage under load. Poor grounding or voltage drop is the most common culprit. Replace the driver if instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.